Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting our focus to a legendary name in the motocross world, the new 2026 Yamaha YZ250. Renowned for its raw power, lightweight feel, and race-winning heritage, the YZ250 has been a favorite among serious riders for decades. For 2026, Yamaha refines this two-stroke icon with smart updates that keep it competitive and thrilling for a new generation. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why the YZ250 still dominates the dirt. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 stays true to its aggressive motocross DNA while adopting sharper, more modern styling. The slim bodywork, updated graphics, and signature Yamaha blue give it a factory race look straight out of the crate. The redesigned seat and ergonomics improve rider movement, making it easier to shift weight during hard cornering and big jumps. It's a bike that looks fast, aggressive, and ready to race. Performance and powertrain. At the core of the 2026 YZ250 is its powerful 249C two-stroke engine. Known for explosive acceleration and strong mid to top-end power, Yamaha has fine-tuned the intake and exhaust for smoother throttle response and improved control. The lightweight aluminum frame and refined suspension setup deliver excellent balance, stability, and confidence on rough tracks. Whether you're launching out of corners or flying over whoops, the YZ250 delivers pure motocross excitement, safety, and technology. While motocross bikes focus on simplicity, Yamaha continues to enhance reliability and rider control. The 2026 YZ250 benefits from improved braking feel, durable components, and race-proven KYB suspension that offers precise adjustability. These refinements help riders push harder while maintaining confidence and control on demanding tracks. Conclusion. The new 2026 Yamaha YZ250 proves that two-stroke motocross is very much alive. With refined performance, aggressive styling, and legendary reliability, it remains a top choice for riders who want raw power and race-ready performance. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more bike news, reviews, and first looks at the machines that matter most.